the magic it's in the planning. I just came back from Walmart and get that mixed fruit spag, and with that fruit spag that was I think $6 something. I'm able to create at least 2 weeks of healthy breakfast. So when I come back, and just put in these different ziplocs, and guys, that's it. Anytime I'm ready to take a smoothie in the morning or the night before, I already prepared my smoothie, and I add some nuts, I add some spinach or kale, and a teaspoon of peanut butter or nut butter, whatever you have, guys. But it's all about planning. That's a secret right there. It's all about planning. Without I can't make it, because I always say that the morning is never guaranteed, but the night before you can prep. That's the only way I'm able to stick with a healthy lifestyle. Do you like it? Share it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye. If you need any better recipe, more recipe, let me know. Also coming up toward like 3 weeks from now, we'll be doing our Mother Nature cleans, guys. It's a new season, and of course, just because of Lent season, I cannot postpone it for a week right after Lent. Yes, we'll be doing our Mother Day cleanse for spring, so stay tuned. I hope you guys are excited because bye for now. Thank you so much.